Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle financially no matter how hard they work? The answer lies in a hidden secret that has been kept from the masses for centuries. Welcome to this video where we're going to unveil the law of attraction and show you exactly how to manifest large sums of money into your life. If you are ready to transform your financial reality and unlock unlimited abundance, keep watching. The law of attraction is not a new concept. Throughout history, the wealthiest and most successful people in the world have understood this principle and used it to build their empires. From entrepreneurs to celebrities to business moguls, they all share one common knowledge. Your thoughts create your reality. What you think about, what you believe about money, and what you consistently focus on will directly determine your financial situation. The basic principle of the law of attraction is simple yet profound. Like attracts like, if you are thinking thoughts of lack, poverty, and struggle, you are emitting a frequency of scarcity that attracts more scarcity into your life. But if you are thinking thoughts of abundance, wealth, and prosperity, you are emitting a frequency of abundance that attracts more wealth and opportunities into your life. Your thoughts are not just idle musings. They are energetic vibrations that go out into the universe and attract circumstances, people, and opportunities that match those vibrations. Most people are broken or struggling financially because they have a poverty consciousness. They wake up worried about bills. They check their bank account with anxiety. They say things like, "I can't afford that," or "money is hard to come by." Every single one of these thoughts is programming their subconscious mind with a belief that money is scarce and difficult, so that is exactly what they experience. To manifest large sums of money, you must first shift your consciousness from scarcity to abundance. This is not about positive thinking alone. This is about genuinely believing and feeling that you are already wealthy. Your brain and your nervous system don't know the difference between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. When you visualize wealth and feel the emotions of being rich, your body releases the same neurochemicals as if you actually were rich. This changes your vibration at a cellular level. The first step to manifesting money is to get clear on exactly how much you want to attract. Don't be vague. Don't say, "I want to be rich." Be specific. Do you want to manifest $10,000, $100,000, $1 million? Write down the exact amount. Your subconscious mind needs clarity. It needs a specific target to aim for. Once you've written down your number, place it somewhere. You'll see it daily. Now comes the visualization practice. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and imagine that you already have that money. Don't just see it in your mind. Feel it. What does it feel like to have that money in your bank account? What does it feel like to walk into a store and buy whatever you want without hesitation? What does it feel like to pay off all your debts and have complete financial freedom? Engage all your senses. See the money, feel the relief, feel the freedom, feel the gratitude. This visualization practice should be done at least twice a day. The best times are first thing in the morning when your mind is fresh, and before bed when your subconscious mind is most receptive. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes visualizing with intense emotion and feeling. The emotion is crucial. The law of attraction responds to feeling, not just thought. You must feel as if what you are visualizing is already real. Alongside visualization, you must reprogram your subconscious beliefs about money. Most of us grew up hearing messages like, "Money is the root of all evil," or "rich people are greedy," or "it is not spiritual to be wealthy." These beliefs are embedded in our subconscious and they sabotage our wealth manifestation. You need to create new affirmations that counteract these limiting beliefs. Repeat affirmations like, "I am worthy of unlimited wealth. Money flows to me easily and abundantly. I attract large sums of money, and I am financially free." Say these affirmations with conviction and feeling, not robotically, but with genuine belief. Say them while looking in the mirror. Say them while driving. Say them throughout your day. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more you reprogram your subconscious mind. Over time, these new beliefs will become your default, and you'll naturally attract circumstances and opportunities that align with them. Gratitude is one of the most powerful manifestation tools available to you. Gratitude is a frequency of abundance. When you are grateful for what you already have, no matter how little, you signal to the universe that you are ready to receive more. Be grateful for the money you do have. Be grateful for opportunities. Be grateful as if you've already received the money you are manifesting. Thank the universe as if your manifestation is already done. Visualization without action is just daydreaming. The universe helps those who help themselves. You must take inspired action toward your financial goals. Look for opportunities to increase your income. Learn new skills. Start a side business. Invest in yourself. When you take action, you are showing the universe that you are serious about your wealth. This, combined with your shifted vibration, creates a powerful force of attraction. Pay attention to your words. Your words are incredibly powerful. They are affirmations you are speaking into existence multiple times a day. If you say, "I am broke," or "I can never afford that," or "money is hard," you are literally programming your reality with those statements. Start speaking as if you are already wealthy. Say, "I am financially abundant," instead of "I am broke." Say, "I can afford that," instead of "I can't afford that." Say, "Money comes to me easily," instead of "money is hard to get." Your words matter. Your environment also affects your vibration. If you are constantly surrounded by images and reminders of lack, it keeps you in a scarcity mindset. Start surrounding yourself with symbols of abundance. Put images of wealth around your home. Read books about successful people and their financial journeys. Listen to podcasts and watch videos about abundance and wealth. Follow people on social media who are living the lifestyle you desire. All of these environmental cues help keep your mind focused on abundance. The law of attraction also works through the principle of expectation. You must expect the money to come. Not hope, not wish, expect. Expectation is a conviction that something will happen. Most people hope for wealth, but they don't truly expect it, so they don't receive it. You must cultivate an unwavering expectation that the money is coming to you. Trust in the universe. Trust in the law of attraction. Trust that what you are visualizing and what you are affirming is manifesting right now. Let go of attachment to how the money will come to you. This is where many people get stuck. They visualize money, but they're too attached to a specific outcome. Maybe they expect it to come through their job, but the universe has a different path planned. Maybe they expect it to come through a lottery, but the universe has a business opportunity waiting for them. Don't limit the universe by insisting on how the money must arrive. Simply trust that it will come. Avoid negative vibrations and negative people. Fear, doubt, worry, and pessimism are low-vibration emotions that attract lack. Resentment toward wealthy people is also a major block to wealth manifestation. If you secretly resent rich people, why would the universe make you one? You must genuinely celebrate the wealth and success of others. Their success proves that wealth is possible. Their wealth is evidence that abundance exists. Many successful people have used the law of attraction to create massive wealth. They understood that their dominant thoughts and feelings about money directly influenced their financial reality. They visualized their success. They affirmed their wealth. They took action, and they received extraordinary results. You have the exact same power. You are not different from them. The only difference is that they believed in the law of attraction and applied it consistently, while most people remain ignorant of this secret. You might be thinking that this seems too simple or too good to be true. But think about it logically. If your thoughts truly don't affect your reality, then how is it that wealthy people consistently attract opportunities and abundance? How is it that depressed people consistently attract more circumstances to be depressed about? How is it that paranoid people often experience the very things they fear? Your thoughts and feelings are creating your reality every single moment of every single day. The key is consistency. You can't visualize for a day and then stop. You can't affirm for a week and then go back to negative thinking. You must commit to this practice daily. Make it a lifestyle. Make it a habit. The people who manifest extraordinary wealth are the ones who maintain their high vibration regardless of their current circumstances. They keep their thoughts focused on abundance. They keep their emotions aligned with wealth. They keep their actions oriented toward their goals. Start today. Write down your specific financial goal. Begin your visualization practice. Start repeating your affirmations with feeling. Surround yourself with symbols of abundance. Speak with the language of wealth. Take inspired action. Release attachment to how the money arrives. Celebrate the success of others. Maintain an expectation that the money is already on its way to you. You are about to enter a new phase of your financial life. By applying the law of attraction, you are hacking into the fundamental operating system of reality itself. You are using the same universal laws that have created all the wealth and success in this world. This is not metaphor. This is not fantasy. This is the secret that has been hidden from the masses but is now available to you. Remember, the universe is abundant. There is unlimited wealth available. There are no shortage of money. The only shortage is in people's beliefs and consciousness. By elevating your consciousness and aligning your vibration with wealth, you open yourself to receive the unlimited abundance that is your birthright. So, take action today. Commit to this practice, trust in the law of attraction, and watch as large sums of money begin flowing into your life in ways you never imagined possible. Your financial transformation starts now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.